Are you looking for the best headphones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best headphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sony WHH1000XM6 Wireless Headphones. Sony's WHH1000XM5 wireless headphones have been an industry benchmark for all-around excellence, and their recently launched sequel is even better. The WHH1000XM6 over-ear cans offer higher quality sound, stronger noise cancellation, better call quality, and nicer ergonomics, headlined by a foldable design. If I had to part with all my headphones and keep just one set, the WHH1000XM6 would be my choice. The Sony WHH1000XM6 headphones deliver a high-fidelity sonic experience with exceptional quality that's the best in their price range. Their sound is supremely balanced and detail-rich out of the box, faithfully serving any audio content I listen to. Support for Sony's proprietary, multi-dimensional 360 reality audio is also available, but accessing it is more cumbersome compared to spatial audio and direct rivals from Apple, Beats, and Bose. The headphones can upmix audio content when in cinema mode, available through the app, but that's it. The Sony Sound Connect companion app provided me with a rich set of tools for customizing the sound to my preferences. Depending on the music I was listening to, I could adjust the bass and treble levels, as well as tweak the mid-range output to my liking, using a graphic equalizer with preloaded and custom presets. If I could describe the WH1000XM6 headphones noise cancellation with one word, it would be quietude. Powered by a new processor and 12 onboard microphones, the core functionality seamlessly enveloped me in a cocoon of silence during an overbooked transatlantic flight. Given the number of microphones the headphones pack, calls predictably sounded crisp and clear during my testing. A standout feature of Sony WH1000X series headphones for years, Speak to Chat allowed me to communicate with flight attendants without removing the WH1000XM6, simply by detecting my voice. I could also activate ambient mode by placing my palm on the right ear cup. The foldable design of the Sony WH1000XM6 headphones represents a major leap forward from the swivel-only setup of the WH1000XM5 headphones that preceded them. It allows the latest generation to fit in a more compact case, making it even more travel-friendly. The touch-sensitive control layout of the WH1000XM6 headphones has remained the same, and I really wish Sony swapped the swiping gestures on the right ear cup for tactile buttons. Given the can's acoustic excellence, getting used to them is worth the effort. Number 2. Cambridge Audio Melamania P100 Wireless Headphones. We've reached a point where a pair of wireless headphones from a reputable brand with elegant design, excellent sound, stellar noise cancellation, and long battery life costs over $400. By offering these features at a price point that's well below $300 before additional discounts, the Melamania P100 wireless headphones by Cambridge Audio, a British maker of hi-fi gear, are the biggest bang for the buck worth your attention. Unboxing the Melamania P100 made me feel like I was interacting with a product in a higher price tier. The headphones are crafted using aluminum, fabric, and vegan leather. The materials give them a considerably more upmarket look and feel, and so do the clever design touches throughout their construction. The tiny vents and brand logo embedded in the metal cover of each ear cup, the contrasting yellow accents, and the braided cables tucked into a clever compartment within the bundled hardshell case exude luxury, making similarly priced rivals look generic in comparison. Available in black or white, the headphones appear larger than some rivals, but I found nothing to complain about in terms of ergonomics. I wish their storage case were a tad more compact. On the audio front, the Melamania P100 headphones impressed me with a balanced sound which, like their design and build, belongs in a higher price tier. Any track I played from my playlist for testing audio gear came out with plenty of detail, and the Melamania Connect app provided me with an intuitive set of tools for customizing my listening experience. There's no spatial audio, however. The can's noise cancellation was also excellent, second only to the serenity provided by costlier competitors. The 60-hour maximum battery life with noise cancellation is alone a reason to have the Cambridge Audio headphones on your radar. I didn't have to worry about recharging the P100 for weeks. Disabling the functionality almost doubles the battery endurance to 100 hours between charges. Number 3. Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones. Bose headphones and earbuds have been synonymous with noise-canceling excellence for decades, so it shouldn't be a surprise that the brand's QuietComfort Ultra over-ear cans are the first product that comes to my mind if this feature is a priority. Of course, the headphones are also stylish, supremely comfortable, and capable of delivering top-notch sound, including immersive spatial audio. Regarding noise cancellation, I wouldn't recommend the headphones just for their ability to eliminate ambient noise distractions swiftly. That's a given in this price range. It's the option to customize the noise cancellation by choosing from 10 levels of intensity, then saving it into a custom mode for specific activities, e.g., work, travel, commuting, etc. That's easy to access by long pressing a button that gives the Bose product an edge over any rival in this department. Having a quick access mode with maxed out noise cancellation for work and travel, another where the feature's intensity was set below 50% for my daily subway rides, and one with full ambient awareness at the tip of my right thumb was a revelation when I used the Bose headphones. To top things off, I could opt to include spatial audio in my custom modes. Sound-wise, the QuietComfort Ultra headphones deliver a powerful and entertaining experience that's customizable via their companion app. Their spatial audio capabilities are just as impressive, and I tip my hat to Bose for making proprietary immersive audio technology with or without dynamic head tracking available on any content, not just Dolby Atmos enhanced music and videos. Calls sound superbly on the Bose product, as usual. I like the headphones control layout, which consists of clicky volume buttons and an awesome volume touch slider that doubles as a customizable key. The QuietComfort Ultra's 24-hour battery life with noise cancellation is far from the best in class, but more than sufficient for any flight. Number 4. One More SonoFlow Pro Wireless Headphones. The One More SonoFlow Pro Wireless Headphones are your best bet if you want to keep your budget in two-digit territory. Spending less than $100 on the over-ear headphones will get you a lightweight build and comfy fit, solid audio performance, good noise cancellation for the money, and price-defying battery life. Available in 5 colors, black, blue, brown, gray, and silver, the headphones also come with a hardshell storage case. Acoustically, the SonoFlow Pro headphones performed better than their price tag suggests. The sound was surprisingly harmonious out of the box and customizable via their app. While I wouldn't ditch my expensive Sony headphones for the One More offering, I found their sound to be super enjoyable. Their support for high-res audio in wired and wireless mode was a particularly nice touch when I linked them to my Android phone. The headphones' noise cancellation is adequate, if far from the best in the business. I didn't experience the same silence as with more expensive products, but I had no trouble focusing on my work at our large open office when I put the headphones on. The key feature, like the sound, is adjustable in the companion app. The battery performance of the One More SonoFlow Pro is among the best in the game. Offering up to 65 hours of battery life with noise cancellation and 100 hours without, the headphones have more than double the endurance of products that cost many times more. Overall, the One More SonoFlow Pro exceeded my expectations when I put it through its paces. My minor gripes with the headphones included a lack of spatial audio capabilities and playback controls that need getting used to. Rather than using a single button, I had to change tracks by long pressing the volume up and down keys. Number 5. Audio-Technica ADHM50X Wired Headphones. Audio-Technica's ADHM50X is the first option that comes to mind when someone asks me to recommend a pair of wired over-ear headphones that offer top-notch sound, commendable ergonomics, and impeccable brand cachet, all at an agreeable price. The legendary maker's product ticks all these boxes, so whether you are looking to take a break from Bluetooth or need a reliable tool for work, or to enjoy, say, your vinyl collection, it is an excellent buy. A consistently balanced, high-fidelity sound is among the many reasons why many audio engineers and audiophiles swear by these Audio-Technica headphones. My favorite aspect of their audio performance is its accurate and enjoyable bass depth. Countless wired and wireless headphones, especially in this price range, are heavy on bass but nowhere near as proficient in producing mid-range and highs, which is why I always keep the WHH1000XM6 in my rotation. The headphones retail package is as rich as their sound. It includes 3 cables of various lengths and a soft pouch. Due to their immense, and well-deserved, popularity among consumers, Audio-Technica WHH1000XM6 headphones have an excellent ecosystem of third-party cables, cases, and ear cup covers. If what I told you about the WHH1000XM6 piqued your interest, but you prefer wireless headphones, I have good news. Audio-Technica offers a Bluetooth version of the cans. The Audio-Technica WHH1020X headphones, on the other hand, are a great option for upgraders on a very tight budget.